Why did the light switch off? Where's this noise coming from? Who's here? Maybe I just lost a tire or something. Oh well. We should be fine now. Hey, welcome back everybody to Enjoy Spoonful. Fall is, as we know, is already here, so it's time to enjoy some proper fall recipes. As you can see, we have a bit more pumpkin specialized episode today, and we're gonna make us really nice and heartwarming spicy pumpkin soup. You think what's wrong with this? Well, recently I went to this party in like an old castle, don't know what happened afterwards, and since then I like to drink Bloody Marys, even though I didn't like them before. Well, I drink a lot of Bloody Marys now, like, all the time. But yeah, never mind, besides the point. So yes, today we're going to be doing, as I said, a spicy pumpkin recipe. It's a really nice and hugging recipe that you want to cook while it's cold outside. So we'll be using pumpkins, and I would recommend you to go grab the small ones because they're more flavorful than the huge ones you use for jack-o'-lantern ones. First things first, let's prepare everything for the soup. So we're gonna chop some onions and some leeks, which we're gonna split off in a pan or in a pot, which can be used cooked for the soup itself. Then we're gonna also cut some carrots. Then you need also to cut some garlic, and don't forget about the zucchini as well. We're gonna cut some potatoes. If you want, you can peel them, or not really necessary, just clean them a bit because everything's gonna be blended anyway. What else? Yeah, pumpkin is our little here today, so we're gonna use that, of course. Also, you can add some spices, but it's more interesting. Like I'm gonna add some chilies there, some cumin a bit. And sage. Sage and pumpkin are really good friends, so I really recommend to using them. And if you want to make it more interesting, you can also crisp up the sage in a pan with the butter and put it on top of your soup. So when it comes to pumpkin, I would recommend you not to peel it, but to keep the skins on. Because that's where all the good parts are, the pumpkins in. That's where the vitamins are, that's where the fibers are, that's what you want to keep. Because you want to be healthy, right? Or try to be again. So also don't throw out the seeds. I would recommend to keep them and roast them. So what you can do is just take the seeds out, you wash them off from the other flesh, put them in the oven at around 180 degrees with some paprika, some salt, some olive oil, so it becomes a bit more little snack if you want on the side. Or you can also put it on top of your pumpkin soup if you want as well. When everything is chopped, you can start sweating onions and leeks and carrots till they become nice and sweet. When that's done, you can add your potatoes, your pumpkins, your zucchini as well, with your spices. In my case, as I said, it's going to be cinnamon and chili. Put some water on top of it, start cooking it off. When that is cooked, you take your torture device, the hand blender, and blend it all up till it's nice and silky, or the consistency you want to have. If you want to have more pieces, bits, you can keep them, or you want to smooth, you can also like just keep on blending till it's done. So when everything is good and blended, it looks just something like this. Cue some photos. Nice hugging feeling. If you ever tasted a hug, that's what it feels like. To make it more interesting and more for like textures, you could also add some croutons, some seeds as you want. As I mentioned previously, the pumpkin seed that you took from the pumpkin, throw them in the oven while the soup is cooking, some paprika and some oil, make it nice and crispy. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click on the like button, subscribe if you want to see more of these videos in the future, share with your friends if you wanted them to see this one video as well. And I'm just missing one more thing here, a little Bloody Mary. I'll see you guys next week and I'm gonna go get me some. See ya! So, where is my little Bloody Mary? Oh, here you are.
Oh no!